Hi, Tiago here, and I'm going to show you how you can create a WPS from multiple PQRs. All you need to do is click on the WPS menu and then on the WPS submenu and click Create Advanced WPS. First of all, you select the standard and then select the weld type and the WPS number. So let's say WPS multiple PQR video. So I am going to find a PQR. I already know which one I want to use. So I'm going to do the demo GTAW and then the demo GMAW. So demo GMAW. So you select the processes, and what happens here when you click this button, WeldCloud Notes will verify if these PQRs are compatible. And if they are not, it will not allow you to create a WPS from these two PQRs. So I click Create WPS, and what it does is it copies all the values from both PQRs and introduces them here. And keep in mind that you can still customize this WPS, and this will be fine unless you do something non-compliant. And this number that's here as a requirement is based on both PQR's approval ranges when they are merged together. Anyway, if you do this, you can still customize everything as long as it is good within the ranges of both PQRs, and then you can export it into a PDF so that you can then send it to your customers or put it in front of your welders. And essentially, this is what it looks like. It puts everything into a single PDF page with the parameters of both PQRs merged here together. One was GTAW and the other was GMAW. And that is how you create a WPS from multiple PQRs in WeldCloud Notes.